Good evening, dear students. Today I am going to discuss a mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. That means in dehydration of alcohol, how many steps involved? Today I am going to discuss in details. In simple, generally you have studied in previous classes alcohol reacted concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of high temperature and result is alkene. So as an example we consider here ethanol to ethene. As an alcohol we consider here ethanol. Ethanol, how many steps are involved to ethanol to ethene? As a mechanism we discuss accordingly. Let's see one by one. The simple reaction involved here, ethanol, this is C2H5OH. Due to the presence of OH group, we know that it is ethanol plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 at high temperature below than 500 Kelvin. Suppose high temperature means high temperature लेंगे लेकिन below 500 Kelvin. The result is ethene and along with removal of water molecule. And this is ethanol, and this is ethene. For this, how many steps are involved as a mechanism? In this mechanism, there are generally 3 steps involved. One by one, I am going to discuss. Let's see, first step, formation of protonated alcohol. Formation of protonated alcohol. It is ethanol. And this is 2 lone pairs of oxygen atom. And this is proton. We know that proton is the electron deficit particle. To fulfill their one pair of electron is needed. As a result, oxygen atom donate 1 pair of electron to the proton. The result is protonated alcohol. Already this one have. This lone pair also have, and this is with oxygen atom. And this is known as protonated alcohol. In this step, this ethanol molecule attached with proton and form protonated alcohol. This is the first step. In second step, formation of carbocation. So how carbocation is formed from protonated alcohol? Let's see. This is lone pair hydrogen. This step, previous step is first. And second step in carbocation step is slow. This is the bond, and this is positive charge already, and this positive charge, and movement of electron of carbon towards to the oxygen atom. As a result, we get carbocation and water molecule, and carbocation is formed. It is known as carbocation. Carbocation is formed. Carbocation is as a reaction intermediate. And last, final step, third step, From this carbocation we can easily form ethene by the elimination of proton. Let's see third step. This move towards the bond here. This is the bond, carbon hydrogen bond, and this bond movement to here by the elimination of this proton. As a result, you will see H, C, H. This is the previous bond, and next bond by the elimination of proton. This one, and proton is totally eliminated, and this is our ethene. That means from ethanol to ethene is formed. I am going to conclude here. There are 3 steps involved in the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. First step, we can form protonated alcohol. Second step, from protonated alcohol we form carbocation, and in third step, by the elimination of one proton here, alkene is formed. Alkene means double bond between 2 adjacent carbon atoms. That means ethene is formed. Understood everybody clearly? I am going to explain in Hindi also. देखो पहले हमें क्या क्या मैकेनिज्म ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल में देयर आर 3 स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व होता है. कितना स्टेप? 3 स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होता है? पहले हमें प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल फॉर्म कर लेंगे. इट इज आवर इथानॉल एंड इट इज प्रोटॉन. one pair of electron donated by the oxygen atom, and protonated alcohol फॉर्म हो जाएगा. एंड सेकेंड स्टेप, दिस प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल में क्या फॉर्म करेगा? कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म करेगा. और कार्बोकेटाइन कैसा फॉर्म होगा? कार्बोकेटाइन क्या होता है ये भी मालूम है. इट इज द ऑर्गेनिक स्पेसिस वेयर कार्बन एटम पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड इट हैज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 2 3 4 5 6. यू हैव लर्न ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लासेस. एंड कार्बोकेटाइन इज फॉर्म from this carbocation in third step, carbocation by the elimination of one proton, because हमें डबल बॉन्ड बनाना पड़ेगा. तो elimination of one proton, ethene is formed and proton is already eliminated. In Assamese में अगर मैं অসমীয়াত যদি ক'ব বিচাৰো তুমি এইটো হ'ব যে আমি ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন যদি এলকহলৰ ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন কৰোঁ তাত সদায় মন কৰিবা 3টা স্টেপ জড়িত হৈ থাকে. প্ৰথমতে আমি কি কৰিম? প্ৰোটনেটেড এলকহলটো ফৰ্ম কৰি ল'ম, प्रोटन আহিল. सेकेंड स्टेपत आमी कि करिम? कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म करिम. आगते কৈছো আৰু प्रथम যেতিয়া प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल फॉर्म হ'ব এই স্টেপটো তোমাৰ ইয়াৰ ৰেট অফ ৰিएक्शनটো খুব ফাস্ট হয়. আৰু যেতিয়া ইন্টারমিডিয়েট ফর্ম হয় তেতিয়া তাৰ সেকেন্ড স্টেপটো কিন্তু কি হৈ যায়? স্লো হৈ যায়. আমি শিকিছো 11 স্ট্যান্ডাৰ্ডত, এটো তোমালোকৰ 12 স্ট্যান্ডাৰ্ড. এন্ড থার্ড স্টেপ, গতিকে যেতিয়া আমি এটা कार्बोकेटाइনৰ পৰা এটা प्रोटनক আমি অপসাৰণ কৰিম, এলিমিনেট কৰিম, তেতিয়া আমাৰ কি হ'ব? ডাবল বন্ডটো ফর্ম হ'ব. तो এইখিনি আছিল তোমাৰ কি? ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন, মেকানিজম অফ ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন অফ এলকহল. দেয়াৰ আৰ 3 steps involved in mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. Do you understood clearly? Understood? Then okay.